Hi there, friends. It's Christine back with another great home art project. This time we're going to make something that's a sensory kind of recipe. So we're calling it soap foam, and it's actually a lot like shaving cream, but I didn't know if everyone had shaving cream at home. So let's use what we have.
Here are the materials you need today. They're incredibly simple. Dish soap, a measuring cup, food coloring, and a blender. We're also going to add some water, which I know everybody has. So gather up those supplies. Let's get going.
That's it. So here's what we're going to do. First, the water goes in. It's not very much water, and then we'll take the lid off. So I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of liquid dish soap. So it's going in. Here we go. Now I'm going to add just a couple drops of color. Let's go for blue. Blue is one of my favorite colors. Okay, here we go. Now, this part is going to be loud, and let's see what happens. I'm turning it on. I'm going to turn it on pretty high. Okay, here we go. Let's see what happens. Do you see how it's getting bigger? It puffed up a lot. It's so much bigger. Let's open this up. Take this off. And you guys, it's super jiggly. I brought over my spatula. Check it out. So it's like this, super, super gooey and great. It actually smells really good too. So this is something that you can put into a plastic container and play with. You can put it into the bathtub at bath time. You could take it outside and paint with it on your sidewalk. It's very versatile and actually extremely easy to clean up because it's just soap and water. So guys, that's soap foam.
So what are we going to do with this soap foam? I had the idea that friends could gather things from around their house to wash inside of this incredible foam. So I've got a plastic container, some plastic babies, old toothbrushes, cars, little plastic critters, and some plates. These are all things that you could wash in your newly created soap foam.